This is the Dewalt Cordless Rotary hammer drill. It's designed for commercial use and should be in every contractor's tool collection. Perfect for demolition and remodeling. This drill forms part of the Dewalt XR Tool Select range, where all the XR batteries are compatible and interchangeable amongst the XR tool range. All the tools in the XR range have removed user effort and increased tool performance for the job at hand. This is a bare tool, so the batteries and charger are purchased separately, but do however fit in the T-Stack box. Check out the XR batteries clip to find out more. It's advisable to use the larger 5 amp hour batteries for this tool, as it will draw quite a lot of power. Choose from 3 modes: regular drill mode, hammer function for masonry use with a maximum impact rate of 4,500 beats per minute, or the chipping mode. Bits are quickly and easily changed with the SDS Plus chuck. Drill up to 24mm in concrete, 13mm in steel and 26mm in wood at a maximum speed of 1200 RPM. The speed is controlled through the pressure sensitive trigger and the direction can be selected. The perform and protect action means the tool works harder whilst protecting the user. The chuck and gearbox has its own built-in suspension system which absorbs vibrations that would otherwise be transferred to the user. This really does assist in user control and fatigue prevention. It weighs in at 2.5 kilograms excluding the battery, has a strong handle with a depth stop and an LED light for work area illumination. It comes in the T-Stack stackable box designed to withstand the tough construction site conditions. If you found this clip useful, like it, share it, leave me a comment. You can also subscribe to the Builders Fan YouTube channel where there's a range of product reviews just like this, as well as DIYs for you to replicate or be inspired.